Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated remaining ink levels within your Epson WorkForce WF-2910. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this, with copy displayed. If you're not already here, just press the home button found at the bottom left to be taken here. And we move ourselves along, pressing the right hand arrow here until we get to confirm ink level. We press OK to go into that. And here we have a visual representation of how full each of the 4 ink cartridges installed are. And obviously the more white shown in these bars, the emptier your printer thinks the ink cartridges are. You also handily have the option to replace directly from the screen. And that's about all there is to see, to be honest. The only other thing I would add is if you're checking the levels of your ink cartridges due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, with this particular range of machines, that should never be a thing. Even when your printer thinks ink cartridges are empty, there should always be a little bit of ink rattling around in there, because pulling air through this printer can cause damage, so every manufacturer will overfill their cartridges. So print quality issues are normally down to blocked nozzles within the printer, with dried ink or similar being the culprit. So I'd recommend checking out our videos on nozzle checks, which are like test pages, and also the cleaning procedures built into your printer to resolve this. You can find all these videos on our channel, and I hope you found them useful. Don't forget to leave us a like. If there's anything you'd like to add, drop it in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.